Dave Hooks. I'm here with Tint Express. Good day today. Beautiful, hot, 110 degrees out right now. Just finished this Jetta, and I'm going to grab my phone back, and we're going to get a review from the gentleman. And he bought I-3 all the way around, and I'm going to walk around the car for you. His name is Aaron. How you doing, Aaron?
I'm great. Thanks for having me. Thank you for doing my car. You guys have been fantastic. I mean, I just got a quote for yesterday. That's all I was looking for. I got some fantastic prices on I-3, just around the box on my sedan. It looks amazing. Very fair prices. Everyone was great, friendly, quick. I mean, quick. I did not expect them to get done this quick. It looks fantastic. I couldn't ask for a better job, genuinely.
Thank you, Aaron.
Of
and
course.
here's his job done. I-3 clear on the windshield.
Looks sick.
I-320 on the doors. And 15 on the back. This job was done in about 40 minutes. On site, like always, call us. We got you, man.
Absolutely, they do.
Thank you.